And may love the Lord your God, obey his voice, and cling to him.
And cling
bese uncike
to him, cling to life.
bambelele ekuphileni.
For he is your life and the length of your days.
Of your days.
Kwandiseka kweimpilo zakho noma
Mawusuka
zakho.
kuye uyofa. He's the length of your days.
Ungubude
Meaning the more you hold on to life,
kusho ukuthi masolo
God
kubambelele
ends your
ekuphileni.
days. God ends, the mortal body
Uyenza
keeps on being raised up. Keeps on being raised up. Mawudlule ekhuleni uyakuphilisa. Mawudlule ezimeni uyakuphilisa because the length of your days is
Ngoba
God.
ubude beinsuku zakho nguNkulunkulu.
Akusi my products or ukuthi udlani. You can eat good things and die.
Ngathi izinto ezilungile kodwa ufe.
Who's your shepherd?
Ubani umalusi wakho?
Who's your shepherd?
Ubani umalusi wakho?
What did you choose?
Ukhethe ini?
And what is heaven saying about you?
Uthi amazulu athini
And what is
ngawe?
earth saying about you?
Umhlaba wona uthini
Is
ngawe?
the good testimony
Ngabe ufakazi
or
obuhle
a bad testimony?
noma ufakazi obubi?
When Adam died,
Adam makafa.
God said to him,
uNkulunkulu wathi kuye,
for dust you are,
ngoba
and
uwuthuli.
dust you shall return. Meaning the earth testifies against you.
Kusho ukuthi umhlaba ufakaza kabi ngawe.
Phindeni enhlabathini. Death took over, swallowed him.
Ukufa kwamthatha kwamgwinya.
He's the length of your days.
Ukwandiseka kweinsuku zakho.
Cabanga, if akwandisela kwensuku zakho, ma'am, bathi bakubulala poison. uNkulunkulu uthi I'm the length of her days.
Ngithi
Poison.
ukwandiseka kweinsuku zakhe.
Bakufakela isiqithi, istroke, I'm the length of his days. Uyadlula nje. Because my length of days is God. As long as God says I must not die, I can't die. I'll step there. I will eat poison. I'll pick up snakes. The length of my days
Ukwandiseka kweinsuku zami
is God.
uNkulunkulu.
Therefore, I will cling to Him.
Awuke ngizoncika
I'll
kuye
hold on
ngibambelele
to him.
kuye. Ngizobambelele.
My choice will never change.
Ukhetha kwami ngeke
My
uzoguquka.
choice remains life.
Isinqumo sami
There's no
sami
any other day God must present an option to me
alikho usuku lapho uNkulunkulu ekufanele angibekele ukuthi
and
ngikhethe.
say, ngoba ulalele, ukhethani ke manje? Yes, because when he's asked them ukuthi khethani, bebase bangalaleli, wabanika ichoice. Uthi okay, mina ngifuna ngikhethe bese mina ngiyaphuma endabeni zenu. Ngikhetha ukufa mina ngiyaphuma. Yongishiya njenga zimvu ezishiwe entabeni. Zashiwa umelusi. Zasikathara.
Hlakazeka.
Repeat that part. Repeat that part.
And may love the Lord your God, obey his voice,
Obey his voice
and cling to him.
and cling to him.
Uncike kuye.
For he is your life.
For he is your life.
Ngoba yena
Uphila
uyimpilo.
kwakho hayi wena, uziphileli wena, awuziphilisi wena, awuziphathanga wena. You must remember that there's God in heaven
Fanele
who
ukhulume
created all
uNkulunkulu
things.
odale
You
yonke
didn't
into.
create yourself.
Azange uzidale.
You didn't make yourself to be who you are today.
Azange uzenze ukuthi ube yilo muntu
There's a
onguye
shepherd.
kunomalusi.
There's a shepherd.
Kunomalusi.
You were like a sheep
Bofana njengemvu
without a shepherd,
ngaphandle komalusi.
heading to be slaughtered.
Mikusele kuseni yohlatshwa.
And Jesus came
uJesu yeso.
to take you out.
Sazokhipha.
And today you want him to bring you choices.
Namhlanje ufuna ukuthi akukhethise.
And you come with your mind without the Holy Spirit.
Uza nengcondo yakhe engenayo.
Reasoning against the glory of God.
Nikeza izizaba enkazimulweni kaNkulunkulu.
Trying to defend what God does not defend.
Uzama ukuvikela lokho uNkulunkulu angakuvikeli.
Trying to protect what God does not protect.
Uzama ukumela lokho uNkulunkulu angakumeli.
Let's go.
He is your life and the length of your days, that you may dwell in the land which the Lord swore to give to your fathers.
Ungayofana ufika lapha. Hamba uhlala uphile. Ungareceive bese uyafa. Don't be promoted and die.
Ungaphakanyiswa bese uyafa.
Don't get employment and die.
Ungathola umsebenzi bese uyafa.
Don't get a business and die.
Ungathola ibhizinisi bese uyafa.
Don't have more money and die.
Ungabi nemali eningi bese
The
uyafa.
shepherd
Malusi.
is the length of the days of your life.
Kwandiseka kweinsuku.
Cling to him.
Ncika kuye.
Cling to him. Worship him with everything, with your heart, with your body, with the members of your body. He's your shepherd. You are not shepherded by a house, by a car, by a business. It's God who shepherds you.
unkulunkulu okulusayo
It's God who shepherds you.
unkulunkulu okulusayo
If he leaves you,
uma ngabe kushiya
you'll be put to shame.
uzohlaziswa
Because that's how people live these days.
Indlela
They're
abantu
not aware
abaphila
that the day God withdraws his spirit,
isuku nje unkulunkulu
You can
akuthatha
die
umoya
tomorrow.
wakhe,
You can-
ungafa ngakusasa
sasa ungaba a public shame.
ngaba uhlazo
Umboziwe manje awuboni. Ucamba ukuthi uzimbozile. Uzashiya unqunu. Kubuye lonke uhlazo lakho lithi pha libe sepepeneni. Uma ngalo ukuthi livele njani. Because that's what people do.
ngoba yiloko abantu
You
abakwenza
serve God to forget.
akhonza unkulunkulu ukuthi bakhohle
You serve God to become your own idol.
khonza unkulunkulu ukuthi ube
And you all end
yisakhe
up worshiping yourself.
bese ugcine sowuzidumisa wena
Making your own choices.
Usasela
Leading
wena
yourself.
iphupho.
Who was leading you from the beginning?
ubani bekakhola kusukela ekuqaleni
Who was leading you?
ubani
Who was shepherding you from
ubani
the beginning?
bekakulusa kusukela ekuqaleni
It's the length of your days.
kwaniseka kwey'nsuku zakho
If he goes,
uma ngabe ehamba
your days are also numbered.
iy'nsuku zakho nawe
He's the
seziyabhalwa
ancient of days. Let's go.
For he is your life and the length of your days, that you may dwell in the land which the Lord swore to.
uNkulunkulu akafuni ukukubusisa ukuthi uyofa, ufuna ukuthi uyophila. I came that you may have life.
yize ukuba
Not just enjoy life, but life in abundance.
nje ukuphila kodwa impilo
Enjoying life, but the abundance is there.
Thokozela ukuphila kodwa
Divine
nokuphila
health.
khona.
Divine health.
impilo kamuntu
Also ruling your body,
busa
ruling your
umzimba
soul.
wakho busa umphefumulo
God
wakho
protecting you
unkulunkulu ekuvikela
from everything that comes against you.
kuyo yonke into emelana nawe
But the moment you shepherd yourself,
kodwa ma uzilusa wena
you will enjoy life
uzothokozela impilo
without his abundance,
ngaphandle kokuchichima kwakhe
without the length of your days.
ngaphandle kokwandiseka kwey'nsuku zakho